flatlands and the ocean. Traveling across South Africa is one of life's greatest pleasures. With so much diversity in structures, cultures, and environment, you simply can't get enough. Driving through the rural Eastern Cape was a marvel. Everyone is going on about their business at a relaxed pace. At the end of a long winding road, you get to Coffee Bay, a small town in the Wild Coast backpackers accommodation. Coffee Bay is known for the hole in the wall and the boiling water point. Of course, I couldn't resist the selfie. These two spots are one of nature's greatest wonders in the whole wide world. Well, you know, as Trends Travel, we travel far and wide to find you hidden gems. Today we find ourselves in absolutely stunning Coffee Bay in the Eastern Cape. But we're not just here for the breathtaking views, but some cultural tourism too. Let's go. We sat down and enjoyed some indigenous games like stick fighting that is still practiced by the young and the old. A beautiful celebration by different Xhosa clans from all over the Eastern Cape.
Mhla ndacinga okokuqala ndacinga ngemoya lapha eCoffee Bay engentlanga kubantwana bethu. Ndacinga uba mhlazimbi xa kungakho nje kungakho imfundiso kubantwana bethu xa kucingwa ngezinto zethu, amasiko nezithethe. Sazana ndonwabe kakhulu xa ndibona abantwana bezizwe ngezizwe bexhenza imixhenzo yabo ngokwezizwe ezahlukeneyo. Ndiziva ndonwabe kakhulu.
We just saw these ladies doing a beautiful dance on stage. Molweni bethunana.
Ewe molweni sisi.
Ninjani ningabaphi?
Sisuka eNgquza district eNgquza municipality. Phansi kwe-OR Tambo district municipality. iNgquza ke uyakukhumbula uba yile yabanesiganeko ngo-1960 apho amampondo amatshayo esithi urhulumente obandlululo phantsi ngamabhasi.
So ithini igama legroup yenu?
Ikhwezi laseNgquza.
Ndicela undicacisele ke mama ngesinxibo esi senu.
Ewe, isinxibo esisinxibileyo sisinxibo sabafazi bamampondo, bahomba ngolu hlobo.
Different cultural groups came to showcase their dancing skills and, of course, their outfits.
Uzabona traditional group yaseNgqeleni emaphomiseni lali kulapho siphuma khona thina sisithu uzabona igroup yolutsha eyenza imfene.
Lena niyenza niyifunza ngubani niyazelaphi?
Siyifunde koobhuti bethu abadala ababehlala eGoli ababashiphayo bahlala phaa xa bebuya babuye sebesenzisa imfene. So sabona le nto uba njengoba singasebenzi singathi sisuke ezilalini le nto singathatha senze ngayo umsebenzi futhi. So sathatha senze umsebenzi.
And that's all we have here in this week's edition of Trends Travel. Do you remember
that in itself is an issue. And I don't know how we're going to move forward, but thank you very much for joining us and just giving us clarity on that matter right there, Professor.
A privilege. Thank you.
Former public protector advocate.